Hello, in front of me I've got DJI RS4 Mini. In this video I'll show you how to attach camera to gimbal. In the beginning, let's prepare this mounting plate and now attach it to your camera. Make sure it's even. Once it's done, roll it inside here. Don't forget to lock it. And your camera is connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.